Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have tried so many little stick-on felt pads for my chairs and they always fall off, but not these. These are the Gorilla Felt from Slipstick. These are a total game changer for protecting your hardwood floors. So the reason these are so special is they are not just stick-on felt pads. They also tap into place with little metal spikes. So this makes sure that they definitely stay on. So they have the adhesive as well. So these are actually guaranteed to stay on and they're so simple to use. So all you do is peel off the little backing over the adhesive. Then you put them in place on the bottom of your chairs and then gently tap them in with a hammer. And we found that they go in so easily and they really do stay on. We have been putting them to the test and they have done awesome. So I love how easily they move around. They are made from a soft wool felt that does not damage your floors, and the chairs slide super easily. And again, they just stay in place really nicely. So definitely happy with these and would highly recommend them. Put them on all your furniture. That's my point of view.